Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to update your Nvidia graphics card drivers on your Windows 11 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one. We're going to open up Microsoft Edge. And you want to just search for Nvidia graphics card drivers and search for it. One of the best results should come back with a driver downloads page, so go ahead and open that up. You can just go ahead and type in your Nvidia card specifics into here. That's definitely one way of how to do it. Alternatively, you can go up to the drivers tab and select the GeForce drivers. And you can select the download now for the automatic driver updates. And just give it a moment here. About 123 megabyte download, so you're just going to have to be patient. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up. And you can also close out your web browser too at this time as well. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And then at this point, I don't actually have any Nvidia compatible devices on this computer. That's why it's not proceeding. But otherwise, in your case, it would continue to install and it would check and see if there are any updated drivers for your device. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.